Banh Mi Hanoi. Top 8 Best Banh Mi Spots in Hanoi Old Quarter. Banh Mi is an iconic Vietnamese street food that reflects the fusion of French and Vietnamese culinary traditions. It consists of a crispy baguette filled with an array of meats, pickled vegetables, fresh herbs, and flavorful condiments. This sandwich has evolved across Vietnam, with each region offering unique variations. History and variations. Banh Mi originated during the French colonial era and was adapted by the Vietnamese over time. The classic version includes pâté, cold cuts, and fresh toppings, while regional specialties add local flavors. Notable types include Banh Mi Hanoi, simple and balanced, often featuring pâté, pork, and butter. Banh Mi Hai Phong, narrow baguette with pâté and chili. Banh Mi Hue, richer fillings with unique sauces. Banh Mi Saigon, diverse and bold flavors with a variety of meats and condiments. Best Banh Mi spots in Hanoi Old Quarter. Banh Mi 25, famous for quality ingredients and homemade sauces. Bami An Bread, known for its special Hawaiian sauce. Banh Mi Pho Hue, a Hanoi institution serving flavorful, traditional banh mi. Banh Mi Mama offers unique takes on the sandwich with secret sauces. Vegan Banh Mi, a great option for plant-based eaters. Banh Mi Tram features a deconstructed banh mi experience. Banh Mi Pho Hue offers a classic Hanoi-style banh mi. Banh Mi Ba Dan, Banh Mi Nguyen Shine, Banh Mi Vui, other renowned vendors with their own distinctive styles. Hanoi's banh mi scene showcases the city's dedication to quality and flavor, making it a must-try for any visitor.